Hey, good morning, traders. It's Jeff with Simply Derivative. Taking a look here at the pre-market prep for Tuesday, February 5th. Looking here at the ES and the NQ, the NASDAQ. Both are up in the overnight sessions, continuing the moves from yesterday. You can see here on the daily for the NASDAQ, we've popped up above the 6,800 range that we've been in. 6,600 to 6,800. We'd been in a range. We popped up above that. Haven't had really a pullback. We've had somewhat of a pause and then a further move up. It looks like we're getting close to 7,000. We do have some room to the upside in this bearish candle in here with this reversal candle. So there may be something up there, but we still have some room to go, about another 70 points or so before we can get up there. We're keeping our eyes on some levels much higher, but we're going to have to be able to have enough market strength to pierce through these levels that were produced late last year. You can see the same somewhat structure on the ES. Again, the ES was trading in a range between about 2,600, 2,650, broke up above that, paused at 2,700, and now we're moving, looks like we're going to move back up um, to at least 2,750, somewhere in this red candle right here after this big down move and reversal. But here's those three peaks that we were looking at on the NASDAQ just now. We have those on the S&P as well. Lots of people are going to be focused on this area. We may get back up there, not today, but wouldn't be surprised if we at least got to 2,750 today. That'd put us up about 25, 30 handles on the S&P. It'll be interesting to see what happens when we get to this area up in here, closer to this 2,800. I suspect we'll have some sort of reaction off of this level, and then eventually take it out. And then at that point, we'll see what happens. But that's the bigger picture for now. Looking at that, longs are still intact. Buying dips. You can see here on this 15-minute, the overnight session came down into these wicks that was created yesterday late in the session, right in here, and has held. Demand has been holding, so buying opportunities are still in effect. Your shorts, although they can be there, the profit margin is going to be much smaller. So when we're in an uptrend, you want to be looking to buy pullbacks or get in on breakouts. We don't typically trade breakouts, so we look for pullbacks to hop on board. When the market switches course and goes into a downtrend, then we want to be selling rallies and taking our shorts. They have the bigger profit margin, and the long opportunities are simply just the smaller time frame bounces that we're looking for in a downtrend. But we're in a nice uptrend. We've rallied quite a bit from 27.28 all the way down to 23.16. Really nice move since really the end of December, 23.16. It's been about a 17.5, 18% move that we've had in about a month's time. A little more than a month now, since we're into February. That's a strong move. That's a big move, especially in all of these indices have rallied up really nicely. So keep that in mind. But again, the long opportunities are still what we're looking for. So buying pullbacks would be ideal. Taking a look here, we're sitting right at the Globex high, the overnight high at 28.20, 28 quarter right now. Looks like we're going to pop up above that. I'd wait for a retracement or a pullback, possibly either to this area down in here, this 27.15, 27.17 again, or we'll see what happens on the day session only. When we open up, we're going to be above this little price structure right in here, and so there may be a pullback opportunity based on the day session only chart. And if you take a look here, that would put this little level of 23 to 21 right in here is possible a buying opportunity, but we're looking maybe at these wicks down in here, or a retracement all the way back to 2,700. Not sure if that's in the cards today. Not a lot of news coming out today. I think we have one report coming out at in about 35 minutes. Volume is light again. That's going to be 2 days in a row that volume is lighter than it has been. We've been at about 1.9 million contracts on the ES here. Finished yesterday at barely over a million. Right now in the overnight, we're only at 158,000. So it's not great, but there's still opportunities. So that's what we're looking at today, guys. Looking for some longs to just continue to take this thing up. And once we get above 2750, we're going to reevaluate. So that's it for the pre-market prep. We will be doing a live stream here in a little bit. Feel free to join us for that. It's free. We're going to be live trading both the ES and the NQ here. And so be sure to check that out and come join us. Get some trades off this morning and have a good day. All right. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up on the video, and we will see you here in a little bit.